Hey, this is Louis. Today we're going to be installing our Momentum HD intake on this 2025 Toyota Hilux 2.8 turbo diesel. Alright, so our first step is to disconnect the map sensor and then unclip the map sensor harness. There's going to be 5 clips holding down the harness that we need to detach from the airbox. We're going to get our pry tool. We're going to go ahead and remove the first clip. There's 3 here, and there's going to be 2 more at the bottom down here. Just like that. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and loosen our clamp for our intake tube. And this is a 10mm socket, and we're going to leave it loose for now. We'll come back to it later. Our next step is we're going to remove the 3 factory screws. There's going to be one located on the front, the side where the fender is, and towards the back. So we're going to go ahead and start with the back one. We're using a 10mm socket. We're going to go ahead and unscrew it. The one next to the fender. And the one in the front. And this is what the screws look like. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and pull up on our intake tube. Then grab the airbox and gently take the airbox out of the vehicle. This is our Momentum HD intake. Not only do we have it in black, but we also have it in orange and red with our dry media. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer these 3 grommets over to our Momentum HD housing. Simply, we're gonna push the metal sleeve through and then slide the grommet off. Repeat the same step backwards. We're gonna go ahead and slide the grommet on, and then we're gonna slide the metal sleeve in. We're gonna repeat the same step other 2. Now we're gonna install our supply drain plug onto our housing, just like that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and install our inlet seal onto our housing, nice and straight and even, and we're good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer our mass sensor for our factory housing over to our Momentum HD tube. So we're going to go ahead and take a Phillips and screw it. Go ahead and transfer it over. So we're going to go ahead and secure it with the provided torque screws. These are T20s. Go ahead and secure it. Just like that. All right, we're going to go ahead and then install the housing into the vehicle. Gonna line everything up. Then we're going to use the same screws we took out earlier to secure our housing. All right, we're going to go ahead and slide our filter in. Push it in until the tabs lock. Get a nice little pull. Make sure it's all secure. We're good. All right, we're going to go ahead and install our coupler. We do recommend you pre-install the clamps on there. You want to face them towards the back, so you have better access to tying up the clamps. Right now, we're going to go ahead and secure our lower clamp using the 8mm nut driver. Just like that. We're going to go ahead and install our tube now. We're going to first insert it into the coupler and then rotate it onto the filter. Now we can go ahead and tighten up the clamp. All right, now that our clamp is tight, we're going to go ahead and secure our filter clamp using that 8mm nut driver. Now we can go ahead and reconnect our map sensor. Now we can install our auxiliary plug. This step is optional. Now that the intake's installed, we're gonna give you guys some sound clips. And there you guys have it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.